Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here with a different video today, and today I have a Dell laptop. This one is a Dell XPS 12, which is like a kind of flip type stuff. It's like a tablet. You can actually flip up the screen, bring it down, use it as a tablet, or you can actually flip again the screen to use it as a mini laptop. It's not actually really mini, it's like a medium-sized laptop. And they come with an iCore 7 processor. They're actually really nice. Most people keep asking me how to upgrade the hard drive on this one. So pretty much in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how to upgrade your hard drive. And these ones, you cannot add a mechanical drive. So if you're thinking about adding an extra mechanical drive, you cannot add an extra mechanical drives. They only support SSD drives. So first thing, let's get it open and let's see what's going on underneath. You need a tool set. I use the UFIXTEK tool set. I'll leave the link in the description. And we're going to be using torque number 4. These tool sets are really nice because they will last you a long time. They have a kind of magnet in here too, so it's really nice. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove all the screws that we see on the bottom cover, even in the two in the mid back. So go ahead and remove all the screws. They're all the same size, so don't worry about mismatching them. Alright, now that we removed the bottom cover, the screws, we need to, for you guys, it might be a little harder if it's the first time you're opening it, because there's a tiny clips that are holding it. You need an opening tool. For the opening tool, I'm using a guitar pick. It's a metallic guitar pick, because of the soft round edges, it will not scratch. It's really hard to scratch yourself or anything, and it's really tough to bend. So it's a perfect tool to open the electronics, or you can get any opening tools. Anyway, so you're going to grab your opening tool. You're going to open the laptop in 45-degree angle, and you want to stick the guitar pick between the bottom and the top cover, and you want to wiggle it around. You're going to hit those clicks, do all around it, go front end, go to the sides. You want to do between the top and the bottom cover, and you're going to see that it's actually coming off. Do the other side. Go all the way to the back. Once you did that, you can put it down, and now you try to lift up the cover. Lift it up from this end where you have the USB and the power jack. Don't lift it up from the other side. Lift up from this side up and pull it towards the other side, so you don't break the on-off switch. Okay? So this is the bottom cover. You can go ahead and clean it up if you want to. Alright, down here we have the whole laptop. Before we do anything, people always say disconnect the battery. You do not need to disconnect the battery, but if you feel like you want to disconnect the battery, just go ahead and pull this cable backward. So you can let go of the jack. There. Now you have disconnected battery. But if you want to change hard drives or SSD drive, you do not need to remove it. But for extra cautious, if you guys want to feel better, go ahead and disconnect the battery. The hard drive is right here. This is a M.2 drive. It's a M-SATA. So it's an M-SATA drive SSD. So you cannot put a regular NVMe or anything like that. It only takes an M-SATA drive. To remove it, you need a Phillips number 0. This one comes with a 256 gig. You can actually remove one screw, and the drive comes up in 45-degree angle. And all you want to do, you want to grab it from the sides and pull it out in the same angle. Don't try to yank it upward, otherwise you're going to break the contact right there. So remove it in 45-degree angle, and there you have it. Now I'll leave the link in the description for 500 gig and even 1 terabyte drives. You can upgrade it. And I have another one right here. This is a 64 gig, I believe. So they have the same entrance right there. So let's say that you got the new drive in, and you want to place it in 45-degree or 35-degree angle, and you're going to push it all the way to the contacts, and then hold it down and put the only screw that holds it to the motherboard. And there we have it. And the next thing will be to grab the contact for the battery and just push it towards the jack right there. Now, once you change the SSD drive, you're not going to have any Windows or operating system in here. So I'll leave the link in the description. You can go to the Microsoft website. You can download the Windows image. And there's a program actually they give you to can automatically download it and burns it into your USB drive automatically. All you have to do is stick that thumb drive inside the laptop, turn it on, press F12, and then choose the USB and just follow simple instructions step by step, and you get your Windows installed in the new drive. And the last thing would be grabbing the bottom cover. You want to locate the on-off switch part here. You want to stick this one in first. So actually this one is, yeah, it is this. So place this one right in there. Make sure the button is right through. And then bring it over and push it down on the corners. You might hear some clicks. That's fine. That's what you want to hear. And the last step will be to just put the top screws, the bottom cover screws. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button. I'll really appreciate it. If you guys subscribe too. If you have any questions, comments, you know where to leave them. And I'll try to answer all the comments every day. So again, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna finish up screwing this bottom cover. All right. And there we have it.